For me, it's become doubly special because it's Hansal sir and Raj now meets Love Sir's world, which is again very familiar to me. वो पीछे मेरे क्रैकर्स जला देते और मैं कूदती रहती and that was fun for him. I want to kill him sometimes. अनार, simple, so pretty. जाता है, बड़ा होता है, खत्म हो जाता है. Hi, I'm Nushat Bharucha and you're watching me on E-Times. It's one of those few festivals that really make me want to do things on that festival. मतलब एक फेस्टिवल होता है जहाँ आप फेस्टिव खुद से फील करने लग जाते हो कि आज दिवाली है यार, आज कुछ सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, कुछ मज़े करते हैं, तैयार होते हैं, दिए जलाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, मिठाई. I mean, you feel like just celebrating life for yourself and also for everybody around. तो वो एक amazing सी happy feeling inside is what I feel for Diwali. And I'm glad, actually really happy कि इस साल मेरी फिल्म दिवाली पे आ रही है and हम घर पे होंगे and we'll be able to watch this with family at home. मतलब मैं पहली बार अपनी एक फिल्म अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ बैठ के देखने वाली हूँ. So yeah. I plan to stay at home. I plan to call some of my family members home, aunts, uncles. We plan to cook some nice food for them at home and to just be within the family and within us, talk, chit chat, let time pass. It's my dad's birthday on the 14th, so bring in his birthday, celebrate Children's Day with him, and yeah, that's it. Just keep it simple, keep it small, but keep it together. I think that's the message, I would say. The firecrackers, yeah. My God, I don't know why they bullied me with. Oh, the word is bullied. My brother bullied me with firecrackers. वो पीछे मेरे क्रैकर्स जला देते और मैं कूदती रहती and that was fun for him. I just want to kill him sometimes for being that torturous. But that यार मतलब दिवाली आती है और मुझे डर लगता कि कहीं कोई क्रैकर्स लेके ना आ जाए और मुझे कोई देख ना ले और मुझे क्रैकर्स की लड़ी के साथ भागने को ना हो कि I'm running away from the crackers. But that's one of those memories that just they don't go. Like I'm scared of crackers, तो मुझे वो हमेशा thought आता है कि कहीं से कुछ एक लड़ी लग जाएगी और खत्म ही नहीं होगी, चलती रहेगी वो लड़ी. I'm always guilty, and I generally wouldn't binge on it. But this year I plan to. So everything, from Kaju Katri to Kalakand to barfis to mango halwa. Actually, I'm going to get that mango halwa. I've said it too many times now. I'm going to get it from that one sweet shop of mine and empty the box. DDLJ. It's an all-time favorite in any case, but on Diwali, just because I think it's got that wedding and festivals and the whole film, they're only like eating and rejoicing and family together, so DDLJ. What I'm wearing. Indian, definitely, but simple, flowy, casual, effortless, and just pretty. Anar, simple, so pretty. जाता है, बड़ा होता है, खत्म हो जाता है. No sound, no fear, simple. Literally first in my filmography. And I know that Diwali and festivals have that sort of celebratory mode जहाँ लोगों को लगता है कि फिल्में देखने चलते हैं और कुछ enjoy करते हैं. But इस बार I'm feeling that really, like I literally feel like अरे दिवाली है, मेरी पिक्चर की रिलीज है. ये बोलने में इतना मजा आता है that I get the point of what it was all this while now. And I'm happy, I'm blessed. I feel like finally हमने ये फिल्म बना के रखी थी कुछ टाइम तक और थिएटर्स बंद हो गए थे. And I'm glad कि finally हमें एक मौका मिला है to be able to release it and take it to the audiences. और जितना मैंने मन में सोचा था अब फाइनली मुझे देखने मिलेगा कि फिल्म में क्या है. तो just super happy that it's finally going to reach audiences. I guess destiny, ये फिल्म हमारे नसीब में थी और इसी फिल्म पे हमें साथ आना था. And I think it's great because Hansal sir and he have got a great sort of rapport going on and they've got a great filmography. And I've always wanted to work with Hansal sir. So for me, it's become doubly special because it's Hansal sir and Raj now meets Love Sir's world, which is again very familiar to me. So it's almost like family and extended family and friends coming together. And we all on set had only one aim on like, which is unanimously for all of us, is that we want to make a really honest, true and happy film for kids, for teachers, for parents, for everybody to just sit and enjoy and feel happy about the film. वो हमारा इतना क्लियर एक आउटलुक था कि हमने उसको उस तरह से ही बनाया, एंड वी फेल्ट दैट थ्रू आउट द शूट ऑफ द फिल्म. So I mean, I can't tell you the feeling. I think when you watch it, when you smile at the end of the film, you'll realize what I'm talking about. But बहुत simple film है, but अच्छे से बनी है. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's the first time I'm able to do the house the way I want to do, and that's actually a great thing, because from the paint to the upholstery to the color to the shading to the everything I'm doing, and I love it. I love going back and forth. Like एक टेबल मुझे नहीं पसंद आया तो मैंने उसको एंटीक फिनिश करा, फिर वो नहीं पसंद है तो मैंने वापस ओरिजिनल करा दिया. I have just gone back and forth, but it's a lot of fun to see what you think in your head to come alive and to see it in front of you and then to live it. I cannot wait to go back home even now, right now. I just want to go back home and sit in my nice sofa and my lounge and my chair and all of that. So yeah. I hope you have a great Diwali. I hope you all try and keep it safe. Be happy, be with loved ones, and enjoy it. Yeah, I mean, tough times, but we'll get through it. We're almost through it. We will, before we know it, we'll be back to normal, and know that day is going to be right around the corner. And अभी जो है उसको accept करो और खुश रहो. No worries.